Renewable Energy Expo. 28th to 30th of April 2022 Chennai Trade Center.
Hi, good evening everyone. So here I am representing Shimato Enterprises Private Limited is our company's name, and we are famously known as Evolve Energy Group. So here we are in this Renewable Energy Expo. We are just displaying our products of solar inverters and panels and other structures and boxes, everything. What are the products? We are into three segments actually. We are the manufacturers as well as distributors, and we are also into projects. So if you see all the things we have displayed here. So in case of, we are happy to participate in this Renewable Energy Expo. At the same time, I would give a direct, whatever the views is my direct opinion. We had a good crowd in the morning especially, that is between 11 to 1:30, and it was a worthy crowd, we can say. The footsteps was very good, and we hope all the best crowd even by tomorrow also. And so we are also happy to participate, and next time we expect more footsteps even inside. Thank you.